What is data science? This question comes to the mind of every person who is trying to understand about data science and who is planning to learn data science. So I thought in today's video, I would share details about what is data science. So data science is nothing but building intelligent products and applications using data. So in big companies, the large amount of data is getting generated every day. So they are always thinking how they can use their data and build intelligent products and applications. So team of data scientists is working on that data and creating those insights. So for example, if you are getting millions of customer reviews and you want to identify what are the top issues faced by my customers, then you can apply data science on that data set to identify those top issues. For predicting the credit card defaults, you can get the historical data and build machine learning models and get to know where there is a chance of credit card default. So that is also application of data science. So if you think of data science, it is nothing but you are making use of the data which company has and then applying bunch of techniques and analysis on that data to identify the business insights which the company can use. When it comes down to skill sets or kind of things you need to know while working on data science, there are three main areas which are very, very important. So first one is the computer science. So the knowledge of computer science and programming. So you need to know Python programming and SQL programming while working on data science projects. Then the second element which is very, very important is mathematics and machine learning. So you need to have basic understanding of mathematics and good understanding of machine learning to become a data scientist. And a third skill set and very important skill set is the domain knowledge. So you should have a good domain knowledge to work on any data science problem. So for example, you have experience working in automotive domain, in manufacturing domain, right? So if you get to work on that data set, obviously you would have better chances of analyzing that data if you're already having experience. So the domain knowledge is very, very important part in data science. So one of the thing in which people really get confused is what is the difference between data science, deep learning, machine learning and AI. Okay. So AI is the very broad umbrella term. So AI represents anything where you have to build intelligent systems which mimic human behavior and human thinking. That is kind of AI. And in terms of enabling AI, there are various technologies which enable AI. So one of that and the most prominent one which enables AI systems is machine learning. So machine learning is nothing but using your historical data and learn from that data. So basically create models which automatically learn from data without creating any rules. So for example, if you are trying to build a machine learning model for predicting credit card default, then if you want to do it manually, you might come up with some rules that if the person is having salary less than X or if the person is having location Y, have they not paid previous EMI, then based on that you might come up with some rule-based system. But in machine learning, if you provide that historical data to the system along with the labels, it automatically learns these kind of rules. So machine learning is anything that learns based on data automatically. And this machine learning enables building of AI systems. Then there is another term called as deep learning. So deep learning is nothing but one of the models within machine learning. So deep learning is subset of machine learning. The reason why deep learning was really in focus or it's currently really in focus is because deep learning systems are kind of advanced machine learning models and they are able to automatically learn patterns from the data even without explicitly identifying the features or kind of things which are driving those patterns. So deep learning you can consider as very powerful machine learning model. So this is how AI, machine learning and deep learning is connected. And when it comes to data science is having intersection with all of these three systems. Because as a data scientist, when you are working on any problem, it's not necessary that you have to use only machine learning to solve that problem. Sometimes by using data analysis or basic data analysis also, you can solve that particular problem. So data science is having the intersection with machine learning as well as deep learning. In terms of the applications of data science can be applied in all the domains. There is no limitation. So data science can be applied in e-commerce domain for building product recommendation and customer segmentation systems. You can apply data science in manufacturing domain. For example, for building predictive maintenance systems, you can apply data science in financial domain for identifying financial frauds. Data science you can obviously apply in any content platforms like YouTube and Instagram. So the application of data science is not limited to any one domain. Data science is there wherever there is a data. Okay. So I hope you got clarity about what is data science and how it can be applied to various domains. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.